So it is match day again, people. Match day again. And boy, me I tell you. I don't know. So much things to discuss, people. Jamaica versus USA, USA versus Jamaica. This is one of we can do in Canada. Tough because psychologically, USA have the advantage over we. So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Anyways, we have a big match to go play today, and I have 3 squads. Some more I look on people. 3 squad. Three of them. 3, 1, 2, 3. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete. Yeah. Anyways, we're going to discuss the squad. This is basically a preview. I'm not going to go in at the head-to-head. I won't go into that because it doesn't make no sense. This game we up against USA is nothing about tactics, squad, quality. You know, have nothing to do with that. And I've seen it time and time again. Over again. You know, have nothing to do with that. The USA team just have a psychological edge over Jamaica. Here we go on. Before we get into the meat of the matter, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button, people. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Now, let's first do a little small brief. Let's a small summary of the last game that the USA and Jamaica played, in which it played at the National Stadium. I was there potentially to witness it. No, that's another game that we have played and not scored at home. Fortunately, we have been significantly better away from home than that of our home. What be better? I think last 7 games or 8 games. Last 7 or 8. I think we have about 6 or 5 wins. We have quite a few wins. And a draw. We're not losing a game now good while now. Away from home. Yeah, we have lost a game in a good while now. But USA is a different story. If USA team, or should I say squad, should go, the coach should take a squad and him go down at MLS and him take out some players out of MLS, him go down at USL, take out some players out of USL, him go down at the college division 1, D1 college system and take out some players and come play Jamaica. For some reason, him still get it over the line. I think it's not a physical thing. It's not. We have seen it. We have played Gold Cup where USA bring them B-string team and still get the result over we. Still get the result. Still get a positive result over we. So psychologically, we can't get it over the line. We get a penalty if we dump up US. We couldn't score a penalty. Psychological blockage. So we need to work on that. I asked Steve McLaren in a press conference. I said, Coach, from your perspective, I drop a question. I said, Coach, from over the years, USA has gotten the better of us, time and time again. Even if USA should go and select a significantly weaker squad than the squad that we present, they will still garner or get the result at the full time. How do you plan to get a sports psychologist in and around the team, or can you do it? Well, I never say or can you do it, but I say get a sports psychologist in the team to evaluate the team, or the players, or probably the team in a whole, to see what's the issue, to find out what's the issue. Because when we go up against the big teams, we tend to drop back in our little negative shell and we can't win anymore. We got another little more there. And the coach said, you have to be consistent. You have to get some good players to play. The more games you win, the more confident you are. And you know, technically just brush over the edge. And when I saw this coach put it out, about five people with 4-9 middle with our yard. Fine. The game was still close. Technically, the game was still close in some aspect of the game. So you can probably say it almost worked. But you know the problem with that now? We still lose. This is a quarterfinals now, people. This is a quarterfinals. I'm not saying taking risk in our first game. You can be conservative. But when you select a team and the team go up on the field and you have so much defenders on the field, the innate action of the team is to defend. Sit off and defend. That's the natural instinct and natural aspect of the players over there on the pitch now. So, we already have a psychological disadvantage playing against USA. But one time, we put out some defenders on the pitch. You know, push you way back further, man. That push you way back further, you know. Psychologically, you know. Then now, early goal. USA score early goal. Technically, game done. I mean, I look and say, but coach basically contradict what him say. That's our first contradiction. So what happened is this. You said consistency, players concerned, winning games, all that kind of something there. But psychologically, we're still in that position where USA get the better of us. You know, when we break the psychological bar versus Canada, we overthrow the game. The last year, Nations League quarterfinals. That was when we actually break. That's when we break the psychological barrier with Canada, you know. Because Canada took it over, you know. Canada took it over. Inclusion of quality players, but them start to get some positive results. And then they're not afraid away anymore. Then we just did something miraculous against them. So we kind of psychologically say, yeah man, if we do it one time, can do it again. But for some reason, USA is totally different. Now, if we should get this job done, go into the USA, overthrow the Pacific, beat them, advance to the semifinals, would that break the psychological barrier? I don't know. I would really, really know. I really don't know. I wish I could know. I hope it would. I really, really hope it would. But as it stands, we still have the psychological barrier. Next aspect is that I do think the coach kind of fixed certain things now because he was contradicting himself again. Let me chill out. He said that he wants players who can keep the ball, hold on to the ball, possess the ball, take care of the ball, play accurate passes, clean when they pass in the ball. But we have so much defenders on the pitch most of the time. These are not necessarily technical players of a certain level. And when you see Dem LOLZ as the ball, the one who hold the ball, or secure the ball, and Dem LOLZ is not necessarily known for that, but you can see him add that to in game now. So that's a good thing. But you sure say, we have a long way to go. No, as I said, say one that, I was a play defender, but now we have some more quality in the team. We have Hayden, Maggie, technical players. We see something that come in as well. Ravel Morrison, another technical player. So we work on the technical aspect of the team now. So we can look and say we can, at least now we can try retain possession. At least But a big role coming up, big thing coming up for the coach this for this game. I did say that we should not allow these two games be the, should I say all and end all, or all the whole aspect of the project that's happening right now. Because there's still more games to come, there's still more things to do. So this is not necessarily the landmark or because we get one defeat that showcase that what the project is about. No, not necessarily. We do though, we're now in a difficult position. Because one, passport last. And I don't know how you lose passport. Generally, when a team is traveling, you have the managers. The managers tend to keep the passports. Just saying. In some aspect, from what I know. And I don't know how you get the players in the passport and pass through. You have one person who collect back everything. But these are big men. Big men. If you lose a passport, how would that happen? If the manager loses a passport, how would that happen? If the person whose role is to take care of them, the logistical aspect of things, those logistics, how did that happen? How you lost passport? I jump here, we are loaning them something here, we're tough. We're really, really good, man. We're tough. We do things that nobody expect. You can do. We do it. We can do it. But me know, so no Mikel Antonio, no Ethan Pinnock. I'm not gonna do a video separate on Ethan Pinnock. I'm not gonna do a video separate on Ethan Pinnock. Ethan Pinnock caused an injury. I think, yeah. And stuff. So me need to do a separate video on Ethan Pinnock. I have a little thing to discuss where Ethan Pinnock is concerned. Anyways, no. Ethan Pinnock out. Kyle Dixon out, when it hurt me, and Mikel Antonio out. So, let's have a look at the possible squad. Let's have a look at the possible squad. All right, Reggae Boyz squad. This is our first squad I bring up, people. Yeah, so this is the first squad I have in mind. 4-2-3-1. Let me tell you, my squad decision, my squad selection is solely on the case of we have nothing to defend, so we have no reason to go to the USA go defend. If we lose 1-0 or lose 5-0, still lose our semi-finals, yeah? So it's either all or nothing. If you lose 3-1, 5-1, 6-1, 7-1, 10-1, or we lose 1-0, still lose. This is a semi-finals. Semi-finals, as we always tell people, heads or tail. I call tail. Tail. Flip of a coin. Semi-finals, a flip of a coin. People are going to say, boy, me cheat. I'm not going to cheat. I'm lucky for it. So real luck that, you know. It's a real luck. Hey, yo, I go type some numbers. I never buy the lottery. Look like me have to buy it. So real luck that. Yeah. But people, you're not going to say, boy, I'm look. But me actually never look. I'm frightened of it. Frightened when me see me take about and look. I say, what? But me never show you reaction. Anyways, this is the squad. And as we said, the squad have a lot to do with we going out to attack. We need to go for the game. We don't have none. Lose 1-0, 10-0, no matter what I lose. We're out. So importantly, we need to get something out of the game. Now, in goal, Andre Blake, hands down. We don't have to question that. Right back, Desalembe Kisa. Centre back period, Lati Bodier and Damian Lowe. Calm down on yourself. We have two more squad for got you. Amarbel, people want to tell me which of the squad they want to prefer. Amarbel in the left back position. Midfield, Ravel Morrison, Isaac Aiden in a double pivot. The attacking third, we have Leon Bailey on the right, Tariq McGee in number 10, and Demargre on the left side. People are going to say, what to Casey Palmer? People, if you guys watch the game, Casey Palmer, I don't know what is happening to Casey Palmer. I don't know what's happening to Casey Palmer. Anyways, Demargre, boy, me I tell you, people, I don't know. I don't know what I'm. From Demargre, go down the league down, so me I tell you, boy, just, see ya? I don't know. Not convincing at all. Last couple of games they have played for us. And leading line, Shamar Nicholson. So tell me 1 out of 10 greatest squad out of 10 people. Greatest squad out of 10 people. Let me know what you think. Next squad now. This is the next squad. Blake in goal, Lemby Keys at right back, Lati Bodier and Lowe centre back pairing, same way. Amar Bell, left back. Now, in the midfield now, we have same Ravel Morrison, Terry McGuinness number 10, Bailey, Gray, Cephas to lead the line. Why do I go for Cephas? I want pace. USA is comfortable at home. USA is very, very comfortable at home. They will want to push high up. They said, when they're yard, we're going to dominate the ball. We're going to dominate Uno. So they're going to push up high up the pitch. We have to exploit it. We have to exploit it. We must exploit it. And again, go in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this starting lineup. Let's have a look on the next one. So I really have great start to all of them. So we'll revert back to normalcy now in some sense. We'll have Lemby Kisa, Lowe, Bernard, Bell as the back four, Lati Bodier, and Aiden in the middle of the park. Gray on the left hand side. And we could also go Cephas, bench Gray, and bring on Bowser to lead the line. And Ravel Morrison attacking midfield position. And Leon Bailey on the right hand side. What do you think about that? Which one of the three? Which one of the three you think can work? I don't know. For me, I wish all three could work. I'll put out all three. For me. Tell me what you think, people, in the comment section about these three teams. Prediction. We'll get the job done. 2-1. No, that was a 2-2. No penalties. 2-0 Jamaica. A different for life. Different. You know what? It's not a matter of being overly positive, but I feel like we can get something done. I have to support my team, say more people. I have to support my team. It's not a matter of delusion. People are going to say I'm delusional. People are going to say, boy, I'm overly positive. I have to support my team. Unless we play against one Brazil or Argentina on inside, when we know say the golfing class kind of different. But with USA, I think we're kind of closer to USA. With USA and Mexico, I think we're kind of closer to USA and Mexico. We're not that far. We're not that far away from USA and Mexico. It's just the mentality part. And once we fix that part, once we fix the mentality part, I think so. Once we stop believing that they're better than we. Once we stop believing that they're better than us, that's the only way we get the job done. But for me, as we said, 2-0 Jamaica. Let's see how this one can go. Anyways, go in the comment section, tell yourself, people. Big up on yourself. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Player, me expect to do well in the game. I feel like Cephas will do a thing. But importantly, I think Bailey can step up in the game. Can Bailey step up in the game? We don't really get not much in that first game. He said something about the pitch, So hopefully can get something in the second game. Big question is, can Bailey step up in this game? Will Ravel Morrison add something we're missing? Will Isaac Aiden start and look comfortable in the role and fix the gap that we have in the middle of the pitch? Will Bowser find the back of the net? Will Cephas be dangerous down the wing as always? Will Tyre Maggie have an impact in this game? We'll see. One thing I know for sure, I can put this down right just so. As much as I want to cost Lati Bodier, or people cost Lati Bodier, I can put down this right and right so Lati Bodier going to have a good game same way. Lati Bodier going to work in the middle of the park. Like dog. As much as all people say, hey, right, I'm going to have the best defensive numbers. But, so I think so. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Now, I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We are out. God bless. Now, we're outside. Outside. And then what? Can't say the one there. PG-13. No, PG-10. Outside.